Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how we can easily differentiate a good palm oil from a bad palm oil, which I'm going to be giving you 4 relevant points on it. So in case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And if you are new here, please kindly click on the red button to subscribe to this channel. At least it's not going to cost you anything. Just click on the red button to subscribe to this channel. So like I said earlier, in today's video we'll be discussing how we can easily differentiate a good palm oil from a bad palm oil, which I'm going to be giving you 4 points on it. Then the first thing here is the color. The first thing to see in palm oil is the color, which can come in form of three color. The thing can be light yellow. It's not going to be that light yellow, but it's going to be related to light yellow. And then the second thing is that it could be in form of reddish color. Then the third one is that it could be in form of pepper red. So that just but a good palm oil come in reddish color, not in light yellow or either pepper red. Because some of the palm oil seller, they do use pepper coloring agents to mix it just to make it that red. But if you have been using palm oil, you should be able to differentiate from it that this thing is pepper red and this thing is reddish. So and this thing is light yellow. Meanwhile, not going to be in form of that light yellow, but the color is going to be related to light yellow. So those are the three major colors that you should consider. But a very good palm oil come in form of reddish color. So the second one here is the smell. Even this point is very common to all the market woman. Immediately they get to the market like this, the first two things that they used to do is just to smell it and also taste it. Those are the common two things that they used to do whenever they want to buy palm oil. And then if you have been using palm oil very well, you should be able to know the smell of palm oil, because some of the producer, when they are producing it, some can just use dirty water to produce it. Maybe when water is not available, they can just use anyhow water to produce it, which is going to reflect on the end production. So the thing can just be smelling like a gutter stuff. So it's as a result of not using good water to produce it. So it is necessary to smell it if you want to buy palm oil, just to know how it smells. So that's just it. And then the next point is the taste. A very good palm oil should taste nice. It's not something that is going to be rancid, so it should have a very nice taste. And if you have been eating palm oil very well, I think you should be able to familiar with the taste of the palm oil. So if you taste another one that is not related to the one that you've been eating before, you should be able to differentiate that this is not how the palm oil that I'm used to eat, this is not how it's used to taste. So you should be able to differentiate it. Then the last point here is the thickness. A very good palm oil is not going to be that thick. You should be able to run freely when they are trying to turn it. It's not something that they will be using stick or something to force it out. So it should be able to run freely. So all those points are very important in case you want to buy palm oil, in case you want to stop palm oil. They are very important, just for you not to go for bad palm oil. And those 4 points are what I mentioned. I mentioned the color, which I give you three colors that it could be in form of light yellow, pepper red, or reddish. And a good palm oil is what is reddish color. So I also mentioned smell. A good palm oil should smell nice. Then I talk about the taste. If you have been eating palm oil very well, you should be able to identify that, like maybe the one that you want to get, maybe it tastes better or it tastes worse. You should be able to differentiate from it. And the last one is that you should be able to run freely from the gallon. It's not something that they will now be using stick to force it out. No, it is not done like that. So this is going to be the end of this video. And please, if you have been getting value so far, just make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. So thank you so much.